If you have some leather boots or leather furniture that you want to make sure that you're taking care of and make sure that it's well conditioned, I've got a product that you definitely want to try. Now, this was sent to me. This is leather and furniture repair salve. And this is almost like a wax or a paste. Simply apply it with a piece of cotton cloth. And what I've done here to show you is I've got a pair of my work boots. Now, I wear these every day. I'm in and out of shops, repair facilities, and outdoors, and I'm not easy on these. So what I've done is I've actually gone over and applied the salve to these leather shoes everywhere all across. I've really rubbed it in and buffed it out, especially in the areas with the seams. I've taken the time to only do half of the boot so you could see. So you can see this side, lots of wear and tear on this boot. Try to get it in the light so you can see. But this side, look how great it turned out. It's bringing the color back. It's making sure that it's nice and soft. And again, all the high wear areas, I want to make sure I'm rubbing down, taking out the scuffs. Very, very easy to apply. Again, just with the cotton cloth, dabbing it in there and just working it into that leather. Just takes you a couple minutes. Now, something like leather furniture or leather boots, especially if it's really nice full grain leather, it's not cheap stuff, so you want to take good care of it. And this is going to do the trick. It's not going to break the bank. Super easy to apply, very easy to get on there in a nice even leather or layer, and it's going to maintain that leather for a long time to come. So if you're somebody looking for something for your boots or for your furniture or for your car for that matter, definitely give this a shot. Well worth it. Not going to break the bank. You're going to love it.